Meet the Nextbase IQ, the world's first helicopter parent for your car. Ever wished your car had a personal bodyguard? Well, buckle up, buttercup, because the Nextbase IQ is basically Batman for your vehicle. Minus the cape and daddy issues, of course. This isn't your grandmother's dash cam. The IQ packs more AI than a sci-fi movie, with features that'll make James Bond's Q branch jealous. Let's dive into what makes the tech marvel tick. First up, Smart Sense Parking. It's like having a paranoid neighbor watching your car 24/7, but actually useful. The moment someone gets too close to your ride, you'll get an alert faster than you can say, "Hey, that's my parking spot." Got teenagers who think Fast and Furious is a driving tutorial? Well, the Guardian mode lets you set speed limits and location boundaries. The second Junior decides to recreate Tokyo Drift, you'll know about it. Plus, you can literally voice call into the car. Perfect for that "where do you think you're going" moment. Feeling sketchy about that dark parking lot? Just say "start witness mode," and the camera instantly shares live footage with your trusted contact. It's like having a personal bodyguard in your pocket. And if things really go south, Emergency SOS has your back. Get in an accident and can't respond? This smart cookie automatically calls 911 with your location and medical details. Talk about a guardian angel with a CPU. Coming soon is RoadWatch AI, which can actually track the speed of cars around you. Finally, proof that the guy who cut you off was actually going 90 in a 55. Okay, now let's talk money. There are 3 flavors. The 1K model at $445, perfect for the "I want to sleep at night" crowd. The 2K model at $600 for the "I want to count my neighbor's nose hairs" enthusiast. And a rare camera add-on at $200 because what's happening behind you is just as important as what's ahead. Sure, there's a monthly subscription, $10 to $20 for the fancy features, but can you really put a price on peace of mind? Plus, it's cheaper than hiring an actual car bodyguard. Trust me, I checked. Is it overkill for your $1,000 beater? Maybe. But if you've got a car worth protecting or teenagers worth monitoring, the Nextbase IQ is like having a personal security team, driving instructor, and guardian angel all rolled into one sleek package. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. And some pretty entertaining footage of your teenager trying to parallel park.